Weirdest thing about camp?
Definitely before curfew, but after dinner when there's just some time to hang out in the lobby. We're all playing games and it can get pretty wild.
Oh, when we were walking in the scavenger hunt, and we saw this ferret that was on a leash. That was probably the weirdest part.
All right, what have you learned this week?
I've learned a lot of new journalistic styles. My teacher and classmates have been incredible and they've helped develop my style of writing.
Something I've learned is more how to interview subjects well and ask meaningful follow-up questions to just further the conversation rather than just kind of like tiptoe around the tougher questions.
I feel like the biggest thing that I've learned this week so far is, working with new people and really learning how to learn from your peers versus just teachers, and learning how to be inspired by other people but not doing the same thing as them. And I think that's been really interesting.